In the last video, we did a quick install of Docker and n8n locally. In this video, we're going to clean that up. We're going to move some environmental data into a .env file. And we can see that there's nothing here. That's because we're not in the external directory we set n8 up in. So we change directory, we can see that we are now in the n8n underscore data file. And when we ls, we see the data that was created in the last video. So now, let's create a .env file. To do that, we enter touch.env. And then when we ls, we don't see the file. And that's because .env files are hidden files. We need to go ahead and open it. And to do that, we need to type the command open -e, and then the .env, and the file opens up. Now, I've gone ahead and pasted the data here. This information is below in the description, so you can copy and paste it. Your user is your username, and your password is your password. And then this is where you would put keys in if you're using APIs. And we might look at how to do that in Gemini in the next video. Now press Command and Save, or Command and S to save it. And then let's close this window. We can either go ahead and hit that red button or go to File, Close, which is what I'll do. Now that we've created our .env file, we need to go back to the docker-compose file and adjust the environment section. So let's open -e docker-compose.yml, file we created in the last video. And we can see this environment data here. And that's what we're going to replace. So I'll go ahead and replace it and show you what the end result looks like. And that's also in the description below. Here it is. We've got the adjusted docker-compose.yml. We can see that at the env file section, we just have a reference to the .env. And all of that extraneous data is gone. And we've also added the API keys, or room for the API keys in the future should we need to use it. So we don't need to come back and hopefully change this .yml in the future. It's edited, so let's go ahead and save it using Command plus S. And then let's close the window by hitting that red circle or File, Close. And here we are back at the terminal. Now we need to shut down the compose file, and there it is. It's been removed. And then we need to restart it. And now it's been created and it's been restarted. Let's just check whether the API key sections are properly set up. So to do that, we type in this command, and at the end of it, open AI. And if all goes well, we'll see the message that we had in the key section. Open API key, and there's the key that's listed in the file, and the API key is visible. We can do the same for Gemini to confirm that it's working. All you have to do when you have your key is go back and change that .env file, and it'll be ready to use. On the first video, we did a quick setup. In this video, we cleaned up. In the next video, we'll hopefully create our very first automation. Thank you so much for watching.